Hey there, green thumbs and plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's close to our hearts, the 6 impacts of gardening on physical and mental health. And an interesting study about people who love gardening versus those who don't. So, if you ever wondered why some folks are just beaming with positivity while digging in the dirt, keep watching, because we've got some fantastic insights coming your way. Gardening impacts on mental health. Gardening is nature's therapy, and the benefits it offers to our mental well-being are simply mind-blowing. Number 1, stress relief. First up, stress relief. When you get your hands in the soil, it triggers the release of serotonin, a chemical responsible for that feel-good factor. So, if you've had a rough day, forget Netflix. Grab a shovel instead. Number 2, mindfulness. Gardening forces us to be present, fully engaged in the moment. It's like a meditation session with Mother Nature as your guru. Number 3, boosting creativity. And here's the kicker, gardening enhances creativity. Planning garden layouts, choosing colors, and arranging plants are all expressions of your artistic side. Gardening impacts on physical health. Now, let's dig into how gardening works wonders for our physical health. Number 4, low-impact exercise. Gardening is a fantastic way to get moving without putting excessive strain on your body. Digging, weeding, and pruning, they all count as low-impact exercise. Number 5, immune system booster. Ever heard of Mycobacterium vaccae? It's a beneficial bacterium found in soil, and when you're gardening, you might inhale it. This little superhero can boost your immune system. Number 6, fresh air and vitamin D. Let's not forget the simple joy of being outdoors. Gardening exposes you to fresh air and that oh-so-vital vitamin D from the sun. Now that we've explored the mental and physical perks of gardening, let's address the fun fact. Are gardeners really more positive humans? According to a fascinating study, people who dig their hands into the earth and nurture plants are more likely to be positive humans compared to those who shy away from gardening. Yes. You read it right, people who actively engage in gardening are often more optimistic, have better self-esteem, and experience less stress compared to those who don't. You see, caring for plants and watching them grow can give us a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's like nurturing a living thing that depends on us, a beautiful reminder of our interconnectedness with nature. So, whether you're already an avid gardener or just starting to explore this green world, remember that gardening is not just a hobby, it's an investment in your overall well-being. And who wouldn't want to be a more positive, mentally and physically healthier human being? That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep planting those seeds of joy and positivity. Happy gardening!